Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the Limited Edition Valentines 2019 card kit. And this is another fantastic kit for all your Valentines and love-themed projects. I'm going to walk you through the contents of the kit, starting with these two, not one, but two exclusive stamp sets. This first one is the larger 6x8-inch clear stamp set called The Sweetest. And it's got some adorable little critter images, hedgehogs, sloths, foxes, some great hand scripty written sentiments with classic ones you can pair with it. And then the next smaller 3x4-inch clear stamp set is called Love Notes, and this is a classic sentiment set that you can get a lot of use out of, whether it be for Valentine's Day or love-themed projects. Also included in the kit is not one, but two exclusive dies, and these are adorable. You've got the hedgehog and the lovable sloth. These would make the cutest little shape cards. And then you're going to get a bunch of these custom 2.5 by 3.5 little cards. These are not folded cards, they're flat. So you get 9 of each, 9 Nina Solar White, and 9 of the Desert Storm. To go along with that are some mini envelopes. You get 6 of the mini Schoolhouse Red and 6 of the white. These are sized perfectly for these little flat cards. These would be great for a little gift card to tuck in with a treat or classroom Valentine cards. My kids love to use these. They're great for giving to your teacher and all that kind of stuff. And I think some of the images on this, The Sweetest stamp set, could fit perfectly on these little flat cards. Next up, we have some beautiful pattern paper. These are 6x6-inch. They are double-sided. They're by Pebbles from their Love Me collection. And these are really cute. I love the llamas. I love that you get a mixture, some floral, some polka dot, some hearts, some stripes. I like the color scheme. I think it's also great how the pattern paper has different sizes. So some are bold, like these hearts are big and bold, and then some are sized a little bit smaller and more subtle, like this white one with the small, dainty pink polka dots. So it's great for backgrounds. Looks like you're going to get one sheet of each pattern. And then look at this last one with the sloths. Just steals the show. You're also going to get in this kit one sheet, 6x6-inch red glitter cardstock. I love that it gives you the glitter and the shimmer, but it doesn't come off on your hands. Also included in the kit is one American Crafts white treat bag. And these are nice, opaque, bright white, ready to be embellished. You're also going to get one red treat bag, and these are fabric. They are drawstring. Great for your little Valentine's goodies or gifts or treats. Also included in the kit are 3 of these Tim Holtz Ideology Gumdrop hearts. I got to take these little doodads out of the packaging so you can see just how cute they are. I can see why they're called Gumdrop hearts, because they look good enough to eat, but don't eat them. They're super shiny, flat on the back, so you can easily adhere them to your projects with some glue. And then speaking of adhesive, in this kit is 1 bottle of Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue. And then moving right along, we have some adorable ephemera. These are by Pebbles from their Love Me collection, and they have some glittery accents to them. I love the critters. You get several, some foxes, sloths, little llama, a little bit of everything, ice cream cone, and it all ties together with the pattern paper. You're also going to get 5 sheets of solid color cardstock, Nina Solar White, Smoke, Audrey Blue, 1 sheet of Lipstick Red, and then 1 sheet of Basil Cotton Candy cardstock. And that is everything in the kit. I have a couple of projects to share with you that I've created using the kit. I made these sweet little Valentines using the hedgehog images from the Sweetest stamp set and that Pebbles pattern paper. And then I used some of the Pebbles ephemera, those foxes, as well as the Tim Holtz Gumdrop heart. And that sentiment is from the Sweetest stamp set. I do want to mention before I go that this is a limited edition kit, so when it sells out, it's gone, but many of the contents of the kit can be purchased separately. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.